how to log in to WhatsApp in one phone. So if you want to log in to WhatsApp in one phone, then first of all you need to go to your WhatsApp application. So what you can do is you can simply hold on to that application, and here you will have app clone option. So what you can do is simply tap on app clone, and then it will give you another WhatsApp. So what you can do is here I have WhatsApp account, right? So if you want to add another WhatsApp, or if you want to log into another WhatsApp, then clone your application, and then you can simply go for the cloned version, and here you will have your new WhatsApp. So you can simply choose the language, and then you can agree to and continue and allow, and then you have to enter your phone number, and then you have to log into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into WhatsApp in one phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.